KW House is a stunning residential project nestled in the heart of a native preservation forest in Chile. The house is surrounded by an array of native trees, including coihu, ulmo, and arayanes, offering breathtaking views of the El Sergio mountain range. Designed by renowned architect Eugenio Simonetti, this modern abode seamlessly blends into its natural surroundings, creating a perfect harmony between architecture and nature. The house features an open floor plan with 3 staircases in the central axis that unite the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The interior spaces are characterized by an abundance of natural light, thanks to the extensive use of glass and the clever placement of skylights. The result is a bright, airy atmosphere that feels connected to the outdoors. The interior design is minimalist yet elegant, with a focus on comfort and functionality. One of the most striking features of KW House is its ability to adapt to the changing seasons. In summer, the house opens up to the outdoors, with folding windows that allow for cross-ventilation and a seamless connection to the surrounding landscape. In winter, the house becomes a cozy retreat, with a perimeter circulation that ensures comfortable temperatures and a sense of seclusion. This versatility makes KW House an ideal residence for those who appreciate the beauty of nature and the comfort of modern living. As we explore the KW House, we're reminded of the importance of sustainable design. The house incorporates eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems, minimizing its impact on the environment. This commitment to sustainability is a testament to Simonetti's dedication to creating homes that not only inspire but also contribute to a better future. As we conclude our tour of KW House, we're left with a sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the beauty of modern architecture.